Hi friends, this video shows how to wall mount speakers using 90-degree RCA connectors like this, or right angle L-shape RCA connectors. See, these are the 90-degree RCA connectors. I will show you where this would be useful. So let me take this rear speaker. So this rear speaker has wall mount option, and here we can see RCA port. So let me connect RCA cable in this port. So let me connect this RCA cable in this RCA port. See, after that we can't mount this speaker on wall. See, we cannot mount, right? So here we can use this type of 90-degree RCA connector. So let me show you how we can use it. So let me take one connector. Then this connector we can connect here. Then this cable we can connect here. See, now we can wall mount this speaker. So that is the use of this 90-degree RCA connector. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.